Man, I tell you, as Ice Cube once said, once again it's on. We got the 6.8 on the trailer, going places, doing some things, moving some things. Wait and see how this turn out, y'all. We're gonna get it going. We back in the work truck, missing a few things, but it's okay. Like I said, you know, we over here. We got some pieces and patches about to go in. Quarter panel, fender patches, interior. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Who driving on the way back? White gonna drive on the way back.
Quite a few of us on.
What?
Yeah,
I was.
you ain't jumping your ass.
Man, I was gonna drop in the passenger seat, man. Where my face mask at? You got face masks?
No.
Damn it, we ain't got no face masks. And not in this truck, I didn't put none in here. Hey, Rodney, we can go back to the house and get the face masks. I forgot where I thought we had. Wait, let me look up in here.
No.
Oh, wait.
Oh, no.
Booyah! Got him.
We got him.
Thanks to my the trip planner, my wife, she put me on, you know, got me a care package. Yeah, I put those off. And so we finna do the remix on a few things. It's gonna take y'all on the voyage with us.
What's up, OG? You got pants on?
Man, what you mean? You still, man, tell me, OG man, about these pants, man. How long does it take to get that iron like that, man?
One time.
One time? What you spraying with it? What you spraying?
Huh?
What you spraying to get it do like that?
I bought them, ironed them, and ever since then I just put them in the cleaners.
Oh, y'all heard it. He put them in the cleaners.
What did you put on their pants, baby, to give you stuff like that? Just one time, no starch, no nothing. I just ironed them. Oh, high. Yeah.
He said on high, we were hired
Then
him.
I put them in the cleaners.
Okay, keep it in the cleaners. Okay. All right, for sure. Money's Car Stereo. We finna get it running on the freeway, get some miles, get some time. We check back with you later. We out of here. Yeah. I'm gonna be there. That's good, man. Go ahead, White. How you doing?
Where are you going?
To the body shop, drop truck off on the third body shop.
Can you unlock your doors, please?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
I work in East Palo Alto, California at Money's Car Stereo. See on my back? On my
Parcel?
Car Stereo.
Okay.
Those are free stuff I'm gonna give to the people. That's for the bed liner. That's food for the trip because we come from 8 hours away.
Alright. And what do you have in the other bag?
Come on inside.
I'll wait to see you to the other side.
Okay. More food for the trip because we were in 3 different cars.
Chicken. Can you show me please your registration and your ID please?
Okay. What's up?
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep
Okay.
going.
All right. That's what happens when you get pulled over by the lady. Where Roger go with the truck?
Right?
Where Roger go? How y'all? That's why I want the nigga to slow. Y'all need to call him.
I don't got his number.
Hey.
Hey, I just remembered how to get here, but I don't know about everybody else. No, that ain't him. That's a man. Fuck. Well, you should have had me drive and put his ass in the
phone don't work. You tell him to get a phone call from Mexico. If your phone don't work in Mexico, he's fucked now.
Yeah, my phone don't work.
I told you that. Get your shit clear for this country.
Pasa muy rápido los carros.
Drive. Okay. See, we here. We on project. You should take a picture of your car, man, to document your thing. This is how people know your story, how you getting down. So this is the drop-off spot right here.
Right, I'm gonna start off.
That's where we at.
Let me tell you.
So this is the before pictures of what we got going on over here. Like this right here. So
Come back home with some brand new.
So that's the plan to get it going. Fix the seams in the floor. Fix all the stuff around here. So
Brand new.
I don't ride in too many vehicles besides my own stuff, but we got this Power Stroke Ford with 1,000 miles on it from the rental company because they made a mistake and canceled the other order. Power Stroke, I'm telling you, it's a brand new truck. It's a brand new truck. With the car on the back of here, man, it pulled like no joke. I never had a diesel, never really wanted one. But this new stuff, when I say this shit here, yeah, that part, nice, big bed. Man, it's cool. I'm gonna say, yeah, diesel there too. This is nice. Just think, we was just out here last night at, I want to say, 12 o'clock. The old trailer. Whew, empty now. Ah.
like dating. I don't.
Rodney, how that truck running, man?
Normal ladies, I'll go out on a date.
See, I'm still
Stay
on
with
the
a
wheel.
personal trainer
Yeah.
in my gym. I thought that'd be fun.
What you do?
Gotta go.
$30 in that motherfucker? 60.
Well, rest and relaxation. Slow down for a second. Work on the grass project. To the next adventure. We out of here.